Good day everyone. This is simple tutorial on how to unpack most essential learning competency or MELC. This is an example of MELC under ng grade 8 math. Okay, so ito po ang kanyang MELC. Prove properties of parallel lines cut by a transversal. Now, ano po yung skill na gustong ma-achieve sa MELC na ito? That is prove. That's the verb, diba? Now, ano po yung content? That is the properties of parallel lines cut by a transversal. Now, yung skill niya ay prove, pero hindi natin ma-achieve itong prove without the prerequisite skills. So, kaya natin, gagawin natin, i-unpack natin. So, hihimay-himayin natin yung kanyang learning objectives. Ano po ang gagawin? Tingnan po natin yung Bloom's taxonomy. Anong level ng Bloom's taxonomy ang prove? That is, evaluate. Ano po? Okay. Now, kung nasa evaluate siya, ibig sabihin, kailangan natin ng mga prerequisite skills under ng evaluate. Ano yung mga yon? Remember, understand, apply, analyze. Okay, so kailangan ang magawa nating unpacked na learning objectives ay 5. Okay, from remember to evaluate. So, let's start with remember. So, pili tayo ng mga words dito or word from this list of words. Ito ay ilan lamang sa mga verbs under remember, pero maraming pa po yan. So, I choose list. Okay, so list down properties of parallel lines cut by a transversal. List down lang, yung mga properties of parallel lines, kaya mababang level lang yan, okay? Next, after remember, let's go to understand. So, let's choose a word or verb from the list, okay? So, we have recognize. Recognize property of parallel lines cut by transversal given or from the given illustrations. Then after understand, we have apply. Yun. So, ang pinili ko dito ay solve. Okay, so ano ang ating learning objective? Solve unknown angles in parallel lines cut by a transversal. Okay? Now, kung mapapansin nyo, itong number 1 and number 2, kailangan yan dito sa pangatlong learning objective, no? Kasi hindi sila makapag-solve ng unknown angles kapag hindi nila alam yung properties of parallel lines cut by a transversal. Nakita nyo po yung process, no? From remember, understand, and apply. Next, balik tayo. Analyze. So, I use the word differentiate. Okay? Next, we have differentiate the different properties of parallel lines cut by a transversal. And after analyze, we have now evaluate. So, iyon na yung pinaka-MELC natin, yung ating learning competency na gusto nating ma-achieve. Okay? Now, you can choose another verb na kung saan kapag ginamit nyo natin yung verb na yun, pasok pa rin itong prove. But I think, I cannot find another verb na pwede natin gamitin sa prove, no? Prove properties of parallel lines cut by a transversal. Okay po, so from the lowest level sa Bloom's taxonomy, napunta na tayo dito sa ating most essential learning competencies. Hinimay-himay natin yan. Kasi, bago nyo po i-present or pumunta sa MELC, kailangan tanungin mo muna sarili mo, kaya na kaya ng bata ang pag-prove ng properties? Ano yung mga prerequisite skills na kailangan alam ng bata bago ako mag-proceed dyan? Ito yung 4 na yon. Okay? So, iyan po kung paano mag-unpack ng learning objectives. Now, we have another example that is solve problems involving sets with the use of Venn diagram. Ito po ay grade 7 math. Okay? Now, ang verb na nakalagay dito ay solve. So, tingnan natin kung anong level siya sa Bloom's taxonomy. Okay? Nandito siya sa apply. So, ilang learning objectives ang magagawa natin mula dito sa MELC na to? 3. We have remember, understand, and apply. Tanong, paano kung ang MELC ay under na siya ng remember? So, ibig sabihin, hindi na natin siya ma-unpacked, no? Kasi, nandito lang siya, no? Mababang level lang siya nasa remember. So, in this case, we need 3 learning objectives. So, sa remember, I will use define. Okay? Define Venn diagram. Isa yan sa mga prerequisite skill bago tayo mag-solve. Okay? Next, after ng remember, understand. So, understand, ang ginamit ko po ay identify different operations of sets. Kasi po, hindi rin sila makapag-solve kung hindi nila alam yung different operations of sets. Okay po? Yan. Next. And the last one, nandito na tayo sa apply. So, ito na yun, no? Or, you can look for another verbs na kung saan yung objective na yun, pasok pa rin yung ating MELC. So, ito ang ginawa ko, demonstrate solution to problems involving sets with the use of Venn diagram. Kasi kung makapag-demonstrate sila ng solution, ibig sabihin, makapag-solve sila ng problems. Hindi ba? So, again, hindi tayo pwede diretso agad sa solving problem. Kailangan nating himay-himayin yung mga prerequisite skill bago tayo mag-proceed doon sa ating MELC. Okay?